Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, we'll be talking about Zoom Workplace and how to use it. So let's get started. Zoom Workplace is a Zoom's AI-powered collaboration app that puts video meetings, team chat, whiteboard, calendar, mail, docs, and more in one place. It's the same Zoom you know, now unified with extra tools and AI companion features to summarize meetings, draft messages, and speed up work. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Zoom Workplace at the search bar. Then after the icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, sign in or create a free account. Allow microphone, camera, notifications and calendar access so meetings and reminders work smoothly. Now on the home screen, tap join at the top of your page right here. So tap on join, then enter the meeting ID and your display name. Choose if you want to join with video on or off and join audio via internet. Tap join inside the meeting. Along the bottom, you'll see mute, unmute and start stop video options. Share to show your screen, a photo or a whiteboard. Participants and chat to manage the room and message. Reactions like raise hand, emojis, then more menu for background and effects, captions and security controls. If available on your account, you can enable AI companion to take notes and generate a meeting summary so you can focus on the conversation. Now tap schedule, calendar icon right here. Tap on that. Add a topic, date, time zone and duration. Keep passcode on and use the waiting room for security. Choose the calendar you want to add it to, then save. From the event, tap invite to share the link by email or chat. Then to use team chat, tap team chat to message co-workers or classmates. Create one-on-one chats or channel for projects. You can send files, start a quick meeting, write from a chat and or share a whiteboard to brainstorm together. In whiteboard, tap new whiteboard to sketch ideas, sticky notes, shapes and connectors. Share it into a meeting or collaborate. Your board saves and stays available after the call. You can also connect to your calendar and mail so meetings, invites and RSVP actions live in one app. Use docs to draft notes that you can share in chat or meetings. It all ties together inside Zoom Workplace. For settings, tap on your profile at the top of your page. On your left, right here, the small blue icon, tap on that and go to the settings right here. So from right there, you can set backgrounds and effects, noise suppression and captions. You can also test speaker, mic and camera. You can choose alerts for chats and meetings and default to passcodes and waiting room for scheduled meetings. And that is all about Zoom Workplace app. Join, schedule, chat and whiteboard with AI features to keep you on track. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and comment down. If you have any questions, in the next one. Bye.